Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pari here. Today I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be really interesting because as you can see behind me, we are going to do spicy ramen challenge. I'm sure you must have heard about the spicy ramen challenge. So sometime back I had tried the spicy ramen in Indonesia, and since then my friends always wanted to try the spicy ramen. So my last visit to Korea, I bought some different kinds of spicy ramen for them to try, and I'm going to record their reaction for you. Some of the few varieties I got is this one is not very spicy. This is like a medium spicy, but if you do not eat spicy at all, then it is spicy for you. The next one I got is, I saw this because it's fire in the eye. That means I'm sure it's gonna be spicy also. So we will try this. Then this black, this one I don't know if it's spicy or not, but I picked this up because I can see this brand everywhere in Korea, so I thought we should try this. Another one is this one also says fire. Okay, so I got this also, but this one is the hottest of all. Some people already know this is famous. This is Samyang 2 into spicy. This is the hottest of all. So we have to try this. I got this, and I also have not tried any of these noodles before. So I'm also going to try this noodles today with my friends, and we will be recording our reaction to this spicy noodles. So keep watching to see our reaction to the spicy noodles. Please don't try this. This will be on repeat telecast. This for like daily.
Siley is sweating.
I'm dabbing.
I can see I'm sweating, dabbing my makeup.
But it's fun. It was fun. I loved it.
It's on fire. It's really on fire. I think he's right. We should stop talking and try to finish it. If you want to get notified when you want to see people getting into trouble, eating something spicy, please bell. May you please press. May you please bell. Like that. Yay!
हमारा फर्स्ट स्पायसी चॅलेंज आहे मेड इन साऊथ कोरिया. सो तुम्ही एन्जॉय केला तर प्लीज लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब अँड प्लीज क्लिक द बेल आयकॉन.
Subscribe చేయండి. తెలుగు फैंटास्टिका यू रास्कला.
और पूरा वीडियो देखना. Sanitizer is in my mouth. अभी मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
आएगा पूरा खाओ.
Hi guys, so now it's our turn. Here with me,
Finally.
Sahil. Red team looks like a red team and blue team.
रेड टी वर्सेस ब्लू टी.
Red is super hot.
हॉट वॉट नहीं है भाई, हम ऐसे ही सही है.
So now, as I said earlier, this is the most spicy one, Samyang 2 into spicy. This is the hottest one, and I'm going to try the hottest one because I'm the champion of spicy food.
I am trying the spicy noodles which everybody had tried. It's the same level of spice, and she has the extra spicy. So what is different? अलग क्या है तेरा?
It's 2 into spicy, so this sauce is more hotter, and it does, like that one has 2 different sauce, but this one has only one sauce and some seaweeds. Let's try.
Let's go for it.
See, I'm from Northeast. I am used to eating spicy since my childhood, so it's gonna be easy for me.
This is red and that looks black.
It's gonna be easy busy for me. Just overconfidence. Other friends must be thinking now it's the turn for revenge from Pari and Sahil. Now the noodles is red. After a few minutes, Sahil will be red.
But these look different. Mine looks reddish.
Let's not touch the lips. Oh,
It kicks you in the face.
it has an aftertaste.
Yeah. It kicks you, the spice, hotness level is there, and then afterwards it develops more and more.
Oh, it's spicy.
That's
I think
why-
I showed too much of overconfidence. Oh, OMG hot. Seriously. This is not for kids.
that has a different taste to this. It's not just super spicy, but it has a different taste. You wanna try this one?
No, I will finish this. If I don't finish this, मतलब North East के नाम पे मतलब
कलंक.
कलंक हो जाऊंगी. So I have to make my North East proud.
हम भी मुंबई वाले हैं. आमची मुंबई रॉक्स.
अभी भी बोल बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Another 2 person I'm thinking about now is my mom and my younger brother Vicky. Vicky, you would love it. I'll bring it for you. This is the time I feel like पानी पी सकते हैं.
तो पता है क्या? टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है. वेरी टेस्टी. मिर्ची लग रही है, मुंह जल रहा है, आंखों से आंसू निकल रहे हैं,
पसीना आ रहा
नाक
है.
भी टपकने वाली है. पर 2 मिनट बाद है ना अच्छा लगने लगता है और मन करता है एक और बाइट खा ही लेता हूँ. ऑलमोस्ट देयर.
है बहुत स्पाइसी है. मैं दिखाना नहीं चाहती पर है.
This is odd.
Nobody tried this one, huh?
Really?
I didn't give this one to anyone, and I'm already sweating.
Guys, FYI, it's really nice to see Pari feeling something spicy. Like everything for her is bland. Finally, there is something that I can see where she feels something spicy.
मतलब आँखों में पसीना पहली बार आ रही है. I don't know how you sweat your eyes.
आंसू आ रहे हैं आंसू.
No, it's not आंसू. It's like sweating here. पर
This is one bowl that I'm not going to lick.
yes.
You can't lick.
Good job. I'm proud of you. If you like to do spicy challenge, please, I suggest buy only this. Samyang 2 into spicy. Everybody knows I eat super spicy. They're just waiting for me to finish. Pressure is on.
But damn tasty. बहुत बढ़िया है. Tasty थे मोमोज. मजा आया खा के.
Nice Asian flavor. That's it. Can you see like the sweat? I can't have another. Ooh. मजा आ गया. Go for it, guys.
Let's start.
So this is Korean fire noodles. Let's see if they can pass
What
it.
is this? This looks nice. Spicy. It's a spice mix.
You will put both ones.
Both, yes.
Okay, I can do it.
Okay.
I can add
Open the second one.
So it's not just one.
Spicy.
So let's try.
Sauce.
One is for the fire.
The
You
fire.
guys are trying it.
Ah, so you have to actually
No.
The packet says it's level 4.
keep the phone handy.
So let's see.
999 dial करके रखो.
Let's see who is sweating more.
This is the first bite going in.
You do the first one and I'll go with the second one. Want me to start?
Good.
Shall I start?
Spicy.
Okay, here you go.
But I think I can digest this.
You can. On me. I can feel it's on my tongue.
Are you dragon already?
The spice is on my tongue. I can feel that. The taste.
Yatish is going for it.
It's not like very spicy. It is spicy, but not for.
No, I think that's
You
spicy.
just took a pause, Siley.
I think the level 10 I can imagine now.
What was that?
I'm sweating.
Are you feeling it now?
Yeah, I'm sweating.
Someone is sweating.
Bearable.
Let's see if there is any after effect.
No, I can bear it.
So they win. Indians can take it. Yay! Siley is sweating.
I am dabbing. I can see I'm sweating.
Dabbing my
But
makeup.
it's fun. It was fun. I loved it.
Iska, you can feel the fire in the mouth.
Yeah.
Still feeling it? So now they are going to try the wasabi for the first time.
On the best.
One, two, three. Go, Vihan. What happened?
This is the first time I'm trying it. Sorry.
Are you crying?
Yes.
It tastes like sanitizer in my mouth.
Did you feel anything in your nose?
Yes, I know. No, it's not good. Nothing. Look at this. No way.
So now we have Supriya and Sudarshan in the house. So Supriya, can you tell us what's your spicy level in general?
Zero. Okay. Maximum out of 10, I would say that I can handle 2.
2.
Yeah.
And what about Sudarshan?
8.
8. Today I have given you spicy level medium. Can you show the pack? So they're gonna try this spicy level medium blue color pack, and I have just boiled the noodles for them. Show them what is it.
So let's open this.
Go for it, guys! Yay!
That was spicy.
Disclaimer. So here is the So here is the disclaimer for Supriya and Sudarshan. Please eat the noodles at your own risk. Cheers.
Cheers.
Go for it, you can do it. You can see I didn't put any water or milk beside them. Go on. Supriya, I'm proud of you.
It's a bit sweet. 1%. But 99% spicy.
It's spicy. I think I have little bit of confidence. Little bit, not full. That I might finish this bowl of ramen noodles. दोस्ती के नाम पे ना कुछ लोग ना पता नहीं कुछ ज़्यादा ही चीजें करवा लेते हैं हमसे. My body and my hands are getting numb. But
Did you ever try anything this spicy, Supriya?
never. पर मत खिलाना.
Khale.
मेरे को चक्कर आ रहे हैं.
Okay, do.
Pause करो.
इसका आने दो.
स्केल पेन छू लेके.
This challenge is an amazing challenge. It's my first time ever that I've tried so much something.
Let me see your temperature. बोल दिखा थोड़ा अंदर दिख नहीं रहा. Girl is a fighter. Boom. By Jadavs. And the kid accepted the challenge today, so let's see. 2 into spicy. Ayush, go on. Oh, they can't wait for it.
बस छोड़ो.
Slow. Feel it. Give your review and then eat.
Yes, it's very spicy.
Yeah.
Go slow.
Are you feeling hot?
This is yummy too.
Ayush is going non-stop.
It's yummy.
Ayush, please stop now. I'm scared for you.
Doing great job, Ayush.
Sorry.
Good job. Let's see. Wait.
I'm getting sweating.
Enough, Ayush.
धीरे
Enough.
Great job, Ayush.
Very nice.
Now Vidya will continue. Let's see.
Very goes to the
It's
bathroom.
yummy. It's like our mutton rasa,
Okay.
misal pav.
Okay.
Now I'm in the fire. अभी इधर भी फायर हो रहा है, इधर भी हो रहा है. वो बॉटल पीने वाली हूँ मैं अभी.
Ayush, come back and sit. Ayush. Really?
What I'm going to get after finishing all this?
Let's see. Finish it first.
It's very hot.
Vidya, क्या पिया? Honey, milk done.
Loved it. Honey.
Honey, milk and sugar.
That tongue is hot.
So which is working?
Right. Honey is working.
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
थोड़ा sound मुझे
मुंह लाल हो गया.
So next you will try when you are grown up, okay?
Don't try.
Not at all.
Not at all?
Honey भी मत दे बोल रहे.
And if you enjoyed us eating this super spicy, yummy, mouth-watering noodles, please do like, comment, and please subscribe.
बेल आइकन मत भूलना, दबा देना तो हर वीडियो आते ही आपको पता चल जाएगा कि नया वीडियो आ गया है.
And please comment कि आपको ये वीडियो देख के स्पाइसी लगा कि नहीं.
उन्हें कैसे स्पाइसी लगेगा?
देख के लग जाएगा.